Je vous remercie. Je passe la parole au représentant du Cairo Institute for Human Rights Studies.
Thank you, Mr. President. The Cairo Institute for Human Rights Studies acknowledge Egypt's efforts in Geneva to maintain open lines of communication with this Council and with civil society organizations. However, we would also like to see concrete action, including the extension of an open invitation to all special procedures and allowing Office of High Commissioner observers to conduct an unrestricted country visit to Egypt. We condemn the disproportionate and unwarranted lethal force recently used by security forces to disperse two sit-ins held by the Muslim Brotherhood and its supporters. The result was hundreds of deaths, thousands of injuries, and the escalation of violence across the country. We remain concerned that Egypt did not take serious measures to independently investigate these violations. At the same time, we are deeply concerned by the incitement by some Muslim Brotherhood leaders to violence, including sectarian violence. There are credible reasons to believe that this incitement has led to the killing of dozens of people and to violent terrorist attacks on police stations, security personnel, government buildings, and state-owned institutions in the Sinai Peninsula and elsewhere. Churches have also been ransacked and torched, and acts of violence have terrorized Coptic Christians. We further denounce the failure of the Egyptian state to put an end to this violence and to take the necessary measures under the law to protect citizens and to hold those responsible to account. Also worrying are the exceptional measures to restrict basic freedoms under the renewed state of emergency, including the right to due process. Meanwhile, independent voices refusing to uncritically endorse the recent actions of the Egyptian authorities are labeled traitors, and media professionals have been harassed, assaulted, and killed by both the security authorities and Brotherhood supporters. We fear that rather than adopting a serious plan to contain violence through peaceful and political means, the Egyptian authorities may take further exceptional measures in the name of protecting public security and combating terrorism. Such policies represent an utter failure to apply the rule of law and to respect Egyptian citizens' rights, including the right to life. Thank you, Mr. President.